Fifth and sixth class, your Gaeilge for this week comes from this chapter in Seo Leat, chapter 16, Cuairt Meánscoil. So visit to the secondary school. So you're reading these 2 pages. Again, I'm going to leave up that link of how to access this on CJ Fallon Online to get them to read it for you, which is really, really handy for pronunciation. Most of this should be okay for you with regards to translations. I don't think there's any too tricky words there. Just watch Davunta, which would be well-mannered or well-behaved. I don't think there's anything else too complicated there, but if there is, just type it into folklore.ie, FOCLOIR.ie, I think it is, and it's an online dictionary and it'll translate it for you. So if you are stuck, you can use that online dictionary to help you. I think you should have that email address written in your homework journals anyway. So for this week, as I say, you're reading these 2 pages over the course of the week. Now we're doing something slightly different to what we did before Easter in that I'm not getting you to do the questions the first day. In fact, the first day I'm getting you to do this on page 94. So you're looking at, you have your 5 verbs here and you've got to write out the sentence and put in the right verb. So you should know the meaning of Connick, Cuig, Hrick, Lower and Hug, but again, remember they're all at the back of the book if you're not sure. You're also going to be doing this for me as well, the Oshriven Haverty. So you've got your jumbled up sentences and you put them up into the correct order. So this week you're also learning some irregular verbs for me. I know you've missed learning your verbs so much and I didn't want to deprive you, so we're focusing on our Brihar Navrielta, our irregular verbs. I spoke to you about these before. These are the ones that in one of the tenses they don't follow the rules they should follow. So the first one you're going to be doing is you're going to be learning 1 a day for me Monday to Thursday, and then on Friday you revise those 4. So on Monday you were learning these, you should know them already. On rev, v, ni rev. On mian, bien, ni vian. On meg, beg, ni veg. So past, present and future tense. Okay. On Tuesday you will be learning these ones. So on yarna, rena, ni yarna. On nienan, danan, ni yanan. And on nyenhig, danhig, ni yanhig. And on Wednesday, you're going doing the 3rd blue box. On vortu, vorme, ni vorme. On viantu, fine, fine me, ni fine me. And on vaigtu, yohig me, ni vaig me. And then on Thursday, first yellow box. So on yakig me, kuig me, ni yakig me. On dain tu, tain, ni hain. And on rockig, ni rockig. They are all on the back of the book as well. They're down here at the bottom of your favourite page in the whole book. So as I say, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, revising them, okay? And then next week you have these 2 and revise again. So that is what you're doing learning wise. These 2 exercises for Monday. On Tuesday then, exercise wise, you are going to be doing page 93. So you're going to be doing just this one here. So you've got the phrase Calatá a dhéanamh Tommy the Kodu. So what are you doing? We're coding. So as in coding as in computer programming. So you need to fill in the blanks as to what each of them are doing. And then you're going to write out 4 more questions. Calatá a dhéanamh Tommy, egg and whatever. So at the back of the book on page somewhere, I think I've gone past it. I have. It's page 129. Remember, you have all these different activities. Sure, look, it's even written for you. So you're writing out 4 more activities. I realised when I was setting it that it was that easy. I would have put down 10, so you're lucky. So just that exercise for the first half for Tuesday. Then on Wednesday, you're doing this one, the second half. So Bontanavas, enjoy. So here it is, Bontanavas and Thros, enjoy the tour or the trip. So Bontanav Asan, so it could be on Lower, on Lehanua, na Leantasira, on Scanon. Again, you're writing 4 more of your own with those Bontanav As on Tlehepela or whatever it is, okay? So that is Wednesday. Then on Thursday, you finally get to do the questions because by Thursday you should have read the piece so many times that you know it backwards. And then on Friday, you have no written work to do, you have oral work. So again, you should kind of know the hang of these already. Yellow box, you're given questions and you've got to figure out the answers orally. Here in the blue box, you have answers and you need to make up the questions for them orally. So I showed you last week where to find the question words at the back of the book. And then for this section, section C down here, you're just answering the questions. So, Harla an scéal seo, where did this story happen? Cahan a Harla an scéal seo, when did the story happen? Hahan an scéal Seo Leat, did you enjoy it? And then Dúshlán Brescia, so there's a couple of questions then that you can answer as well. Cáhfuil tú ag dul ar scoil an bliain cuain, where are you going to school next year? And Cé atá ag dul in Aonad Leat, who's going with you? So those of you with older siblings, you'll know the Irish for Skibbereen Community College, you can just ask them. And who's going with you? Well, the whole lot of you that are going to community college, you know who's going with you. Anybody who's going anywhere else, you might know some people that are going with you. Okay, so that's it for Irish, and if you have any questions, give me a buzz.